Welcome to this Android channel. And yeah, you're looking at this and saying, well, this isn't an Android phone. Well, actually, it's interesting because I wanted to talk about the interesting aspect we had. So on my Tech for Everyone channel, we had an unboxing and a couple of tests of the new iPhone 11. And it's interesting because I wanted to kind of add to the channel here. Um, I got a Galaxy S9 Plus phone. This is my main phone. And the question that might be asked is, after using the iPhone 11 for an afternoon, do you really feel that it's an amazing phone? Would you have or consider going from Android back to Apple? Because I used to have an iPhone and I had one for many years. And the simple answer is nope. I can't I can't see why I would go back to an iPhone. I immediately noticed that, first of all, the transition from being used to Android and going back to iPhone made me see that I had a little bit of difficulty going back to the iPhone. It was not natural because the gestures are different in many aspects, and especially on the iPhone 11 and iOS 13, it is something that is different. There's different swiping that didn't exist before and things like that. You look at all of that, and all I could say is, although the iPhone, we had this one, the red iPhone 11. Um, it's a nice phone, but somehow the screen, I had the impression the screen was better, and I had the impression that we took pictures. I didn't see that much of an improvement, maybe in zooming, or I don't know. But overall, Apple products once were like wow products, and now it's just the boring new iPhones, and that's it. And I totally understood that I'm probably going to stay Android for a very, very long time with what I have seen and in the usage and everything. It's kind of funny that as an Android user, as an old Apple iPhone user also, I don't want to go back. There's nothing that would make me go back to an iPhone now. And kind of interesting. And I totally understood and found that my Galaxy S9 Plus phone was amazingly good and amazingly nice compared to the iPhone 11. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.